starting my college. It was a good time when I go to some new place as it was under the federal government. I have found it to join the armed forces, so I joined Fizai Intermediate College Lahore Kent, which was the good time for me as I grown myself, my skills, my social activities. After that, when I got admission in the university, it is the public sector university in Pakistan, and I have well reputed. Um, there I join. I do not like to study all the time. I have interest in the social activities. I like to become a volunteer, and I joined the student foundation. I went to the Balochistan in the flood relief activities the last year, and we served more than 300 families. And as I'm not from the medical field, but today I realized I should go to the